Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy eye makeup look, which is only 5 minutes. I'm only using 2 eyeshadows to create this, and it's just really easy and quick. This is definitely a look that I would wear like on the go if I want to look flawless and glam, but not too dramatic, and if I don't like have a lot of time. So it's super easy, but it will still look like you put a lot of effort. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. So now the first thing I'm going to do, like always, is use this MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, which is my absolute favorite eyeshadow primer ever. I'm going to use this with a Sigma P84 brush, and I'm just going to blend this all over the eyelid. When I'm done with applying it, I'm going to set it with a little bit of translucent powder just to make sure that the eyeshadow primer is locked in place and we are ready to apply some eyeshadow. And of course, everything that I will be doing at one side of my eye, I'm also going to do at the other side. Then now I'm going to apply a little bit of brow gel. I always do this after setting my eyelid, and I use the Gimme Brow from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 5. And then today I'm going to play with this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. I'm starting with this light shade. This is like super optional, but I always like to use like a translucent powder underneath my brow. Not a translucent powder, I mean like a light powder. But this is kind of optional, I mean like it doesn't really show up. So then I'm going to use this transition color, which is like a very mustardy brown type of color. It's really beautiful, and I'm going to blend this all over my crease using a Sigma E40 brush. And I'm going back in with my brush a few times into this eyeshadow because this is going to be like my base color for basically my whole eye look. So I'm going to blend a lot of this color, and as you can see, it has a really nice color payoff. I'm also going to straight in like apply this underneath the lower lash line. Sometimes I do this after applying my eyeliner and stuff, but today I felt like I want to be super quick, so I'm going to apply it underneath the brow bone, what am I saying? Underneath the lower lash line straight away. Then I picked up a more pencil brush and blending this back and forth, and I'm trying to make like my outer V area connect with my lower lash line so everything blends together. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to use this eyeshadow from Colourpop, which is so beautiful. I was wearing this every day when I was in LA a few weeks ago. It's so beautiful. It has a really gorgeous sparkle in it. It's almost like you use the eyeshadow with a sparkle on top of it, but it's just like an eyeshadow and glitter in one. It's really beautiful. Definitely a color that I feel like looks even more beautiful in real life. It's really an eyeshadow that you have to see in person to really see how gorgeous it is. Now I'm going to use this 24/7 eye pencil from Urban Decay in the shade Lucky, which is my favorite pencil for the waterline. It really makes my eye color stand out more. Then I went in with the Maybelline in New York gel eyeliner, and I'm going to create a line above my lash line. I'm going to create a very tiny wing. If you want to be like super quick, you can also go in with a liquid liner, like one of those pencil liquid liners. This is really easy and super quick to do. For me personally, I feel like gel eyeliner works just as quick for myself, but of course you can use like different options of eyeliner which works like quick for you. So this is how it looks right now. Now I'm going to apply some mascara and some fake eyelashes. Of course, if you're really in a hurry, you can skip this part and only go for like mascara. But I was in a hurry actually, because I wanted to do this super quick look. But I had some time left, so I applied these fake eyelashes, which are really beautiful. I will put the name in the description bar. And then I went in with the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras. I used it to like make my lower lashes as long as possible, and I also used it underneath the fake eyelashes. So this is how it looks right now. I feel like these lashes are really pretty. They are like very natural. It almost looks like your own natural lashes. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoy watching today's video. I know this was a really quick and easy video, but I just wanted to show you some inspiration for if you want to do something really quick, but like you can still wear it for work, for a party. It's just a little glam, but not too glam. I think everyone can suit this eye look. So this is definitely a look that I would wear on a daily basis. I love the colors that I used. It's very subtle. It's not too warm, not too cool. It's like a nice in-between kind of eye look. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this where I do a very easy and quick eye makeup look, then let me know in the comments. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and also this way I know what kind of videos you like to see. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!